If you're running a small business and not doing email marketing yet, you're leaving money on the table every single week. And the best part is you don't need a budget to get started. In this tutorial, we are breaking down the 4 best free email marketing software tools for small business so you can start capturing leads, send newsletters and promos, and stay in front of your customers without paying a monthly subscription upfront. We'll go from number 4 to number 1, so be sure to stick around until the end as I'll be showing you which one is best if you're a solo service provider or local business or a growing online store. By the way, what are some criteria that I looked for when creating this list? First, a free plan that's actually usable, not just a 14-day free trial period, and enough subscribers and cents for a small list, and drag and drop editor and templates, so no design skills needed, and also basic automation. For example, you'll be able to send a welcome email, simple nurture, and more, and you get a clear upgrade path once your list starts growing. Now let's dive in, and by the way, I have included links in the description and pinned comment for a few of these platforms, and it will help to support the channel if you were to sign up. Now let's continue. At number 4, we have MailChimp. MailChimp is one of the most well-known email marketing tools on the planet. With tons of templates and a very beginner-friendly editor, I would consider it best for small businesses who want something familiar, easy, and widely supported, and don't mind tighter limits on the free plan. When it comes onto their free plan, by the way, if we were to go onto their pricing page, you can see right here their free plan. You will be getting about 250 contacts and roughly 1000 email sends per month with a small daily cap and basic templates and a one-step automation, for example, a welcome email. It will include MailChimp branding on the emails, by the way. And if we were to quickly talk about key features when it comes onto MailChimp, first, drag and drop email editor, pre-built templates for newsletters, promotions, and product updates, and basic sign-up forms and landing pages, and also a simple reporting on opens, clicks, and growth. And if we were to talk about the pros and cons when it comes onto MailChimp, extremely beginner-friendly, huge ecosystem of tutorials, integrations, and plugins, and it is great if you want to get started in under an hour. The pullbacks when it comes on to MailChimp, I will have to say, is the free plan when it comes until the contact and send limits are pretty tight, and also advanced automations and split testing require paid plans. And the pricing can climb quite quickly as your list grows, as you can see right here. And taking the number 3 spot is HubSpot. HubSpot offers a free email marketing platform as it gives you free CRM plus email marketing tools so you can see the full journey from forms, contacts, emails, and deals. And I would consider HubSpot best for service businesses, B2B companies, and agencies that want email and CRM and pipelines in one place, not just a newsletter tool. And when it comes onto their free plan, as you can see right here, with their free plan, you'll be able to add 1 extra user, so it allows 2 users, and their CRM allows you to add up to 1 million contacts and around 2000 marketing emails per month on the free tier. And basic email templates and simple automations, for example, welcome emails and follow-ups, are also available. Keep in mind it will include a HubSpot branding on outgoing emails. And if we were to quickly talk about some key features, contact and company records, for example, notes, deals, and tasks, email editor with basic templates, and forms and pop-ups to capture leads from your website. Also, simple automations, for example, you'll be able to send a follow-up after a form is submitted. And if we were to quickly talk about the pros and cons, HubSpot is perfect if you care about sales follow-up, not just newsletters, and also it offers a great central brain for your leads and customers, and easy to upgrade into more automation and marketing tools later. And when it comes on to pullbacks, it is more complex than a pure email tool. There's a learning curve, and advanced automations, sequences, and email volumes are on paid tiers, and branding on the free plan. And taking the number 2 spot is none other than Brevo. When it comes onto Brevo, it offers email and SMS marketing. That's especially powerful with small businesses and e-commerce brands. And its free plan is based on more emails per day than contact count. And I would consider Brevo best for small businesses that want to store lots of contacts, send regular newsletter, and potentially send transitional emails, for example, order confirmations, password resets, and so on from the same system. And talking about that, if we were to look at their free plan, so scroll down a bit on their pricing page, and you can see right here with their free plan, you'll be able to send 300 emails per day. So that's 9,000 emails for the month. And you'll get access to basic templates and automation workflows. But keep in mind, the emails will include Brevo branding. And if we were to talk about the key features, first, contact management with tags and segments, drag and drop email builder and templates, and simple automation, for example, welcome flows, drip sequences, abandoned cart if you're in e-commerce, and also transactional email and SMTP options on higher tiers. And if we were to quickly talk about the pros and cons of Brevo, unlimited contacts is a big win if your list grows fast, and great fit for small e-commerce or appointment-based businesses. Solid automation tools compared to many free plan. And the only pullback I would say is the daily send cap can be limited if you want to blast your entire list at once. And taking the number one spot is none other than MailerLite. MailerLite is a clean, modern email marketing platform that's very popular with creators, small businesses, and online brands because it gives a lot of power on the free tier. It is best for small businesses that want good-looking newsletter, basic automations, landing pages, and decent limits without paying right away. And if we were to check out their pricing page, as you can see right here, you can use it for completely free, and you'll be able to send up to 12,000 monthly emails, as you can see, one user. So that's around 1,000 subscribers you'll be able to add on their free plan. And roughly, as you can see, you'll be able to send 12,000 emails, and you'll get access to email builder, templates, and simple automation. For example, welcome and small funnels option. You can also create landing pages and embedded forms. And MailerLite branding will be on the emails and pages, so keep that in mind. You'll also get access to a drag and drop email editor with a clean modern template, and automation builders for your welcome sequences, and landing pages for lead management and simple opt-in funnels, and decent reporting on opens, clicks, unsubscribes, and device type. And if we were to quickly talk about the pros and cons, it is one of the most generous and flexible free plans for small businesses. And I think it is a great option if you want to create newsletters, launches, and simple email funnels. And it is easy to use but powerful enough to grow into paid tiers later on. And the only pullback I would say is, as your list grows past the free limits, pricing kicks in. It is still fair, but it is not free. And some advanced features, for example, split testing on everything and advanced automations, are only available in the paid plan. So if I were to do a quick recap, when it comes on to MailChimp, I would say it is best for total beginners who want familiar templates and brand recognition. And HubSpot free plan is best for email and CRM and sales follow-up in one system. Brevo, on the other hand, is best if you want unlimited contacts and solid automations on a free plan. And last but definitely not least, MailerLite is best overall as it offers the best overall free option for most small businesses. Think newsletters and simple funnels. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.